InterviewPal AI is a revolutionary tool that's just hit the market, and today I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new software. Whether you're a recruiter, a hiring manager, or simply someone interested in AI, InterviewPal is designed to transform the way you conduct and manage interviews. First things first, InterviewPal AI uses advanced machine learning to help you streamline your hiring process. It's like having an AI-powered assistant that can handle interviews for you. Imagine cutting down hours of interview time while still getting detailed insights into each candidate's performance. It's incredibly accurate and efficient. One of the standout features of InterviewPal is its ability to simulate real-life interview scenarios. The AI analyzes a candidate's responses to preset interview questions and provides an in-depth evaluation based on their tone, content, and overall communication style. This can save you time from having to manually go through every candidate's resume and application. Another key aspect is how InterviewPal can evaluate soft skills, things like communication, problem solving, and adaptability. While traditional hiring methods focus mainly on resumes and technical skills, InterviewPal takes a more holistic approach, giving you insights into the human side of a candidate. This helps you make better, more informed hiring decisions. Now, if you're worried about its accuracy or effectiveness, you should know that InterviewPal AI constantly improves itself by learning from previous interviews. The more you use it, the smarter it gets, providing increasingly accurate and tailored evaluations over time. It's a perfect example of how AI can help businesses make smarter decisions while scaling their operations. Another exciting feature is the software's integration capabilities. InterviewPal works seamlessly with most major HR management systems, which means you can integrate it into your current workflow without a major overhaul. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool for any business, large or small. If you've ever conducted a virtual interview, you know how time-consuming it can be to coordinate schedules, manage video links, and keep everything organized. InterviewPal takes care of all this for you, letting candidates complete the interview at a time that suits them, all while you sit back and let the AI do the work. What's also impressive is how InterviewPal provides you with detailed feedback on each interview. You'll receive an overall score for each candidate, highlighting their strengths and areas for improvement, making it easier for you to make quick decisions without second-guessing yourself. No more digging through hours of video interviews or notes. You'll have everything you need in one easy-to-read report. The cherry on top is the fact that you can try InterviewPal AI completely free. Yes, you heard that right. There's a trial version available through the first link below, giving you a chance to experience all of these features firsthand before committing to a subscription. As someone who has tried thousands of AI tools in the digital marketing space, I can confidently say InterviewPal stands out as one of the most powerful AI-driven software solutions available right now. It's user-friendly, effective, and could very well change the way we approach hiring forever. After trying InterviewPal, you'll also find other recommended AI tools I've tested and reviewed in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for free. I'm always on the lookout for the latest and greatest AI software to help you save time and make smarter decisions. In conclusion, InterviewPal AI is a game changer for anyone involved in recruitment. Whether you're looking to streamline your hiring process or make more data-driven decisions, this software can help you do just that. Make sure to click the link below to give it a try and see how it can transform your hiring process today.